Hi everyone, welcome back to DataMinds Academy. In this video, I will show you how to use the rank and rankx DAX functions in Power BI with a simple example. And I will also explain the differences between them. Ranking is very useful when you want to compare products, regions, or categories based on their performance. So let's see how it works. So here in this table, I'm having subcategory and the sum of their sales. Now what I want is I want to rank this product based on the total sales. Instead of just sorting them, I want to show the actual ranking number next to each product. So first of all, I will show you that by using RANKX DAX function. Now here we will be simply creating a measure for that. So I will click on the three dots, click on new measure, and let's name this measure as RANKX. Now I will write the DAX function, which is RANKX. And the first argument that we have to give here is the table name. So I will write that table name in all, and I will define subcategory here. I will close the bracket, and the next we have to give the expression. So our expression would be total sales. I already have a measure for that. So I will call that measure, and I will leave this value blank. And next we have to assign the order by clause. So by default, rank X sorts on the basis of descending order. And if you want to change it, you can select ascending. So here we will select descending only. And next argument we have to give is dense or skip. So what dense means is if two products have the same sales, they get the same rank and the next rank continues subsequently. And what does skip does is it skips that rank and directly start with the other rank. So here also we will define it as dense. I will close the bracket and our expression is complete now. Now I will just add this measure which we have created. So I will drag and drop it over here. And you can see now our products has been ranked by total sales. So I will just sort this total sales and we can see the ranking accordingly. You can see that in total also we are getting a rank. So we will also see how we can deal with that in this video. And we can see that the subcategory wise ranking has been done. What if I want to see the ranking on the basis of the category? So let me add the category also. So after adding category, if I'm expanding this, you can see that all the subcategories has been ranked properly. But when it comes to the category, everywhere we can see only the first ranking. So we will have to deal with this in the DAX. So let's make some changes in our DAX function. So we will go to our DAX. So here we will be using a function is in scope. So I will write if is in scope. And here I will give the column number as subcategory. So if the subcategory is in scope, then I want this part of the code to be executed. And if not, then again I will give the another if statement. So if is in scope, the category, then I will execute this part of the code and I will also make some changes to it. I will mention here as category. I will close the bracket, click on enter. And now you can see that our ranking has been assigned. We can see over here that this ranking, we are having the same ranking as the total sales between these two categories are same. And when I'm expanding this, I'm getting the subcategory wise ranking accordingly inside that particular category. So here, what if I want to rank this furniture and office supplies based on two parameters? So here the first parameter is just the total sales. So as the total sales are the same, we are getting here 2 and 2 ranking. And what if I want to define another order by clause for this particular ranking? So that we can achieve by using rank function. You can also do that by using RANKX, but it becomes completely very complex. So we will see how we can do that using a rank function. So let's create another rank function. Okay, from these three dots, create a new measure. I will name it as rank. and here I will call the rank function. So here the first argument which we have to give is regarding the ties. So here we will keep it as dense only, and next we have to give the relation. Now next comes the relation. We have to define the column name over here. So I will define it as all category, close the bracket, and next we have the order by. So we will order by. Now here we will be ordering by total sales. I will close the brackets, to enter, and let me drag and drop it over here. Now we can see the ranking has been reversed. So in rank, by default, the ordering by clause is ascending and not descending, whereas in rank X, it is descending. So here we'll have to define it that I want to rank it as descending, and then I will click on enter. You can see now the first ranking has been given to technology, followed by furniture and office supplies. Now, inside this order by clause, we have the option to give multiple order by arguments or expressions. Now here what I will do is I will also define a second ordering by expression, which would be the category name. So I will write it as category, and here I will define ascending, and I will click on enter. So you can see over here now, we are getting the first, second, and the third rank as well. Now if I'm opening this, you can see that inside the subcategory level, the rank is not working properly. So here again, we will be using the same DAX, which is in. So I will write if is in scope subcategory, then I want this code to be executed. I will just copy this and remove this part. Otherwise, I want to execute it at category wise level. Enter. Now you can see that at subcategory level also, the rank function is working perfectly. So in this way, if I'm expanding this, you can see that all the ranking has been assigned properly at category as well as at the subcategory level. And that's how you use the rank and RANKX functions in Power BI. It's simple, flexible, and makes your dashboard much more insightful. If you find the tutorial useful, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to DataMinds Academy for more Power BI tips and DAX tutorials. See you in the next video.